And this is the car of the day. It's a 2015 Roadster Porsche. And this is the issue. These cars tend to develop delamination from the trimming of the material to the base. Many car manufacturers have the same problem in different areas of the upholstery of the interior. Some has it in the dashboard. Dash is well known to have this issue. The challenge with the Boxster is the thickness of the foam bag. It's about 3/8. So this is the challenge that we're gonna be working on, and we're gonna show you how we solved this issue with these cars in a permanent way, not just temporary. And if you just put adhesive and put these things back, they're gonna get delaminated again in a short period of time, probably by the first summer. So to avoid that, we're gonna go a little bit deeper into the repair process, and I'll show you when I complete this repair. And the repair is completed. This is the matching mirror finish aluminum. And here at EM Upholstery, this is the level of detail dedicated to our clients. And if you need leather for your vehicle, we still have our LeatherTeck line. For all your vehicle's needs when it comes to leather. Beautiful finish molding, solving the issue for the delamination in the door panel for the Porsche. Give us a call, click in the link below and make an inquiry. Either you need a high-end repair for your exotic vehicle or a brand new leather interior.